The first news from IQ. uh, IQ Z1X is listed in TINA certification, and specs are leaked. So coming to the specs, it has a triple rear camera with 14 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and 16 megapixel front camera with a cutout display, and 4880 mAh battery, and it is assumed to come with a Snapdragon 765G 5G processor, and it has 6 GB of RAM and 8 GB of RAM, and it has a 64 GB storage variants and 128 GB and 256 GB storage variants. So this is getting listed certified in China, and we can expect this in India very soon. News from Amazon. Amazon announced its Wow Salary Days, and it runs from 1st July to 3rd July, and it's partnered with HDFC Bank, and it offers a 1500 instant discount on HDFC Bank cards and the EMI transactions, and offers are available on washing machines, televisions, furniture, and kitchen and home appliances. So if anybody want to have HDFC card and if you want to look at offers, and you can go to Amazon and look at the offers. Next news from Qualcomm. Qualcomm today announced it. Next news from Qualcomm. Qualcomm today announced its new wearable SoC 4100 plus, and it is going to come in next wearable devices, and it's very powerful compared to the previous 3100 and 2100. So let's see which smartwatch brings it first. Poco is finally launching its Poco M2 Pro, another mid-range smartphone from Poco. It is launching in India on July 7th. So as the post has released, it looks like a rebranded Redmi 9 series, which is launched in China some days back. So let's see if they are launching it directly or making any changes to it. And the next news is from Samsung. Samsung Z Flip 5G. This is a new phone from Samsung. Uh, it comes with a flip design, and it's a 5G device. And this phone is listed in FCC certification, and it is listed in TENA certification. And you can see the images from the TENA certification. It looks like the same, the first generation of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4G. So it is going to launch in August along with Samsung Note 20 series, Samsung Fold 2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 series, and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G. All these are going to launch with the same Snapdragon 865 Plus processor in August month. So let's see how they price them and how are the features they have. And the next news from Samsung again. Samsung M01S listed in Google Play console, and looking this smartphone looks like the same Samsung Galaxy A10s, which is launched last year. So let's see how they price this in India. And next news again from Samsung. Samsung A01 core live image has been leaked. So this is how Samsung A01 core smartphone looks. This is going to launch in India very soon. It is an entry level device from Samsung. And the next news is from Honor. Honor 30 Lite, Honor 30 Youth, and Honor X10 Max are going to launch in China tomorrow. Coming to Honor 30 Lite, Honor 30 Lite color options are leaked. You can see the color options on the screen. And coming to the specs, leaked specs, it has a 90Hz display and 180Hz touch sampling rate. And coming to X10 Max, the live image has been leaked, and some of the specs has been leaked from China Telecom spec sheet. And it has a water drop notch and 7.09 inch huge display, and specs are also leaked. You can see the leaked pricing and on the screen. The next news is from OnePlus. OnePlus Nord series is the next mid-range premium series from OnePlus. It is confirmed with Snapdragon 765G SoC, and it is officially confirmed by Qualcomm. So this is going to launch in India and Europe first. So coming to the yesterday's documentary episode number 1. It is these are the assumed crafted designs of Samsung, sorry, OnePlus Z. And coming to the pricing, the CEO said that this is the first device in recent times which we are launching in below $500. So let's see how they price it in India. According to leaks, this device comes bit near 25,000 in India. And the next news is from Realme. Realme X50 global variant is going to launch in Europe in 8th July, and it's going to launch very soon in India. So let's see whether they launch it as the same variant in China, or will they make any changes. And the next news from ROG3. ROG3 is going to launch on July 22nd. So this is the latest gaming phone from ROG. It is going to launch in China on July 22nd. So the next news is from TikTok. So Indian government has banned 59 Chinese apps from data privacy issues. So now the Indian government orders the Department of Telecom to block the ISP servers for TikTok and all the blocked apps, so that users cannot access them on their mobile data or broadbands. And next is from Redmi. Redmi 7A, it is an entry level smartphone launched in India in previous months. Now the smartphone is getting Android 10 update. Check the updates in your device or wait for some weeks. You will get the update very soon. And next is from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 official high quality renders are leaked online. So this is how the Samsung Watch 3 looks. So let's see how they price it, and it's going to launch very soon in August according to rumors. And next news from Samsung again. Samsung Galaxy A51s listed on NFC certification. So this is going to launch very soon. So let's see the specifications. So the next news is from Motorola. Motorola Edge Lite or Moto G 5G. These are the names for the next Motorola device. So for this device, the renders are leaked online. So this smartphone comes with a Snapdragon 765G 5G SoC.